Hello, welcome to my video. Today I want to explain you how to check galley hot plate. Sometimes called electric cooking range is good or not. And these galley hot plates are very important for onboard crew, for meal, and I think this problem should be solved immediately in case in travel, and at least one spare hot plate should be retained on board. Okay, now I check this hot plate. I don't know this is good or no good. I just print out this circuit diagram, and this is the we have using this hot plate 6 pieces for our cooking range in the galley. Okay, so I open this connection box. This is very important to clarify this hot plate is good or no good. Okay, now I make marking 4 terminal. Inside we have 3 heating element with 4 terminal. Okay, this is 440 power supply, you see. And also, first of all, I check this individual terminal 41, 43, 42, like that. After that, I will record how much I getting this measuring value. Okay, first of all, I will put the multimeter in the resistant mode or measuring mode. Okay, inside have heating element. This is only resistor, so that we can check and for only resistant, so that we can say it is good or no good by measuring resistance. That's it enough. Okay, now I adjust the multimeter. Looking good, no good. Okay, let's go to check for each heating element. I make sure my multimeter is okay or not. Okay, so I will check from 4 and 1 terminus. I get 1160. Okay, I memorize, and 43 terminus 288, around 2890. Okay, now 4 and 2 1730 individually. These values are different. I will explain you why the reason. Okay, now 1 and 3 4050, 1 and 2 2890. Okay, this is okay. 3 and 2 again 1160, around estimate. Okay, so I checking each heating elements is finished, so I write down in paper for every measuring value. These values are very important when you consider this hot plate is good, no good, can use or not. Okay, I write down every measurement resistance in here on paper. Okay, now I explain you more detailedly why we getting this resistance value depends on heating elements. Okay, first we will see 4 and 1, we have only one heating element between. That's why we got 1160. And 42, we will see only one resistor, but this resistor is getting more resistant, a little bit small. That's why getting 1720. And also we see 43, we passing this line. We have 2 heating element. That's why I got more 288 resistance. Okay, 13 we will see why we getting maximum value, because he passing 3 heating element. That means he measuring 3 resistance. That's why he getting maximum resistance value 4040. And then we will see 12 passing again 2 element heating element. That's why we got 2880. The last one 32 terminus, we passing only 1 heating element. That's why getting 1160. So that now you can understand why we getting this value individually, depends on heating elements. Now I check for the mega test for this one is getting low insulation or not, because this is very important for safety, because we're using 440 voltage. And then I check, okay, make sure I testing ground point is okay or not. Okay, I check all terminals 1 by 1. Okay, around 20 mega ohm. In our electrical safety, there is one rules 1 kilo ohm per voltage. That means if you're using 440, if you are insulation resistance is 0.4 mega ohm, this is safety. But for me, I prefer 5 mega ohm minimum, because in our main switch board there is insulation resistance meter 0 to 5 mega ohm scale and go to infinity. That's why I prefer at least 5 mega ohm, but this is just my personal thoughts. Now I show you, this is the another hot plate. Good, no go, I will show you. We measure same as previous hot plate, 4 and 1. You see, open circuit, heating elements already open for 4 and 1. I use again for the previous measure paper and compare this value. 4.3 is okay, same as previous value. I mean good value, reference value. 4.2 also, it's okay, acceptable. And then I swap 1 and 2, again open. This heating element is already open. I swap terminal 3 and 2, this is okay. So that means this number 1 heating element is already open circuit. If in case emergency we can use, but it will not get good efficiency heating power. That means this hot plate will get slowly to get hot like that, because of 1 heating element is already open. We have only 2 heating element remain. So I can consider this hot plate is no good, open 1 heating element, but in case emergency we can use, but this hot plate will get very slow for heating. Okay, now you can use this measuring tips to consider this galley using hot plate is good, no good. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.